This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jaroslaw Osinski. Located perfectly in Naples, with spectacular views of the lake and wonderful amenities. This is the largest floor plan with a large bonus room. A very spacious 3-bedroom, 3 baths, with a formal dining room, living room, eat-in kitchen, laundry room, storage, elevator and an attached 2-car garage. This second-floor unit is located in one of Naples' nicest golf communities. It features hardwood flooring, a skylight in the master bath, 3 dining areas, French doors leading into the guest suite with a private bath. Beaches, designer shopping, fine dining are located less than 3 miles away. Kensington Golf and Country Club offers a variety of memberships, but no membership is required. For more information, review the details below or contact Jaroslaw Osinski at 239-597-9003.